How to download Fortnite on your PC. First of all, you have to log into your Epic Games, and once you are here, if you navigate to your top right corner, there is a yellow download button, so you have to click on it. After that, scroll down a bit and here click on this yellow button that says download now, and that's gonna download the Epic Game Launcher in your laptop. Now once the download is complete, and you can download Epic Installer. Now once you have downloaded, in order to install you have to follow some instruction, and after you have set up the Epic Launcher or Epic Installer completely, now you can open up the Epic Games Launcher or Epic Installer. Once you have opened it up, that's gonna ask you to log into your account, so you have to log in via the browser, and once you have logged in, it's gonna automatically refresh back in your Epic Games Launcher. And once you're logged in successfully, head towards the search bar and search for Fortnite. So there you can see the Fortnite game is right here. You can click on it. Now in order to install this in your PC, click on this get button, and you have to click on this agreement. Now click on accept. So once you have clicked on the get button, you have to follow some instructions. After that, your Fortnite will be added in your library. So go to your library from your left hand side, and from here scroll down a bit, there you can find the Fortnite. So there is a small install option, so click on install and then click on install. After that, Fortnite will be installed. Before that, you have to click on this agreement, then click on accept. Click on yes. And if you have enough storage in your device, Fortnite will be installed in your device. So that's the way to install Fortnite in your PC, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.